In this video, I will show you what does delivered mean on Snapchat. In this case, you need simply to know that first when you open up your Snapchat, you need to go on the settings subject, which is right down on the second side, which is a chat selection. Right from here, what is the most important thing right over there? It is by getting to know and send, for example, something to this person right here. And if you get back, you're gonna see that on your upper side, on that chat selection with that person, it says delivered. That means that you have sent a photo, or you have sent a snap, or in this case you have sent a text, which it is realized and recognized as a delivered message. But for example, if you go and send to that person right here a snap, yeah, I will go and send it. For example, this one, just go and send to see what and how that look. And now as you can see, it has been sending right on that selection. Yeah, that snap I have sent right now. And as you can see also, it has been detected as delivered, but with a red line section, which means it is a snap selection.